Today we will be assembling a mini arc bedside bassinet. This co-sleeper has two modes, freestanding bassinet and bedside sleeper. Start by unzipping the travel bag and pulling out the co-sleeper, laying it flat. Undo the Velcro tabs on the mattress wrapped around the co-sleeper. Stand it up and pull apart the corner pieces. Pull up on the top bars until they click locked. Then use your hands to lock the bottom bars. Note, the top bars must be locked first and then the bottom bars. We will first show you how to convert from bedside sleeper to freestanding bassinet. Firstly, undo the three straps on the lowered or co-sleeping side. Push up on the bottom bars until you have an inverted U. Find the press to unlock buttons. Push up slightly, then push down. Pull the tab back on the plastic connector. Slide it up, lift, and then slide down onto the top receiver. Repeat on the other side. Pull up on the top bar until you hear it click locked and push down on the bottom bar. Hide the buckles in the pockets. To convert from freestanding bassinet back to co-sleeper mode, lift up on the bottom bar, creating an inverted V. Find the buttons, push up slightly, then push down into a U. Pull the tab back on the plastic connector, push in, slide it up, and reconnect on the lower receiver. Pull the top bar up and lock, and push down on the bottom bar to lock. To secure the lowered bar, remove the strap connectors from the pockets. Wrap the male connector over the bar, find the female receiver, and clip them together. Wrap the Velcro tab over the bar and secure. Notice there's Velcro on the bottom of the sheet and inside the sleeping nest. Place the mattress into the sleeping nest, ensuring the Velcro is aligned on both the sheet and the sleeping nest. Next, attach the strap and plate. To adjust, move the plastic piece left or right and pull tightly. Slide the plate between your mattress and base. The strap must be tight and the co-sleeper must be flush beside your mattress. To travel with or to store your co-sleeper, remove the mattress first. Break down all four sides, unlocking the bottom bars first. Push the bottom bars up into the inverted U shapes. Find the buttons on the top bars. Pull up slightly and then push down into a U shape. Gather the co-sleeper together by pulling the top plastic corners together. Lay the co-sleeper flat and collapse into a rectangular shape. Remove the fitted sheet from the mattress. Lay the mattress flat on the floor and wrap the mattress around the co-sleeper. Use the Velcro tabs to secure the mattress together. Slide the co-sleeper into the travel bag, making sure the handle comes through the opening on the top. If you have any further questions, please contact us via our website at just4.com.au. Happy co-sleeping! Today we will be assembling a mini arc bedside bassinet. This co-sleeper has two modes, freestanding bassinet and bedside sleeper. Start by unzipping the travel bag and pulling out the co-sleeper, laying it flat. Undo the Velcro tabs on the mattress wrapped around